guys, happy independence to everyone. This is the 78th year of independence of India, and a lot of people have struggled and worked hard for us to stand here today and raise our flags among American flags. And I really want to wish everybody a happy Independence Day. I'm Executive Chef Right Straight from New York City, Times Square, Gurabo, NYC.
Jagdish Sewani, I wanted to wish all of you a very, very happy 78th Independence Day. We must not forget today the sacrifices of artists who sacrificed their lives so that we can be free. We are free and we are living this comfortable life. And now India is the fifth largest economy in the world and the highest growth rate in the world. Thanks to the leadership of Narendra Modi. And in 2047, when India will be celebrating 100th birthday, India will be #1 economy in the world with a GDP of $45 trillion. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata ki Jai.
Hello, we just want to say Happy Independence Day for India. We are celebrating Happy Independence Day today at New York, Times Square. Thank you. Happy Independence Day to everyone. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Bharat Mata ki Jai.
Happy Independence Day, 78. Long live the India. Thank you.
We are proud to be Indians, and here in Times Square we are celebrating our Independence Day, and all the public from India, they were very much enthusiastic.
Happy Independence Day.
Jai Hind.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Namaste. On behalf of the Federation of Indian Associations, I warmly welcome you all to the heart of New York City as we come together to celebrate the 78th Independence Day of our beloved India. This year marks the 42nd year of FIA hosting India's Independence Day festivities and our 5th year of proudly hoisting our flag in the iconic Times Square. August 15th is a day of immense pride and joy for every Indian across the globe, marking the day that India gained independence after years of struggle and sacrifice. Today, as we raise our national flag high in the skies of New York City, we honor those who fought for our freedom, and we celebrate the rich cultural history that unites Indians across the globe. Now at this time, I'd like to invite our Consul General of India, New York, Mr. Binay Pradhan, for the flag hoisting ceremony. I'd also like to invite President of FIA, Dr. Avinash Gupta. Thank you.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the Indian national anthem. We welcome to the microphone Kunal Lamba.
मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधितरंगा तब शुभ नामे गाते तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Make space for our dancers.
मैम आप नीचे बैठ जाइए
Friends, namaskar, and let me begin by wishing you a happy Independence Day. For me, it's a big honor. It's the first time I'm celebrating Independence Day in this beautiful country, and what could be a bigger honor to stand below the two national flags and celebrate it with the very distinguished Indian American community. So this is a day we celebrate freedom, and I would say there cannot be a better, there cannot be a more important day than this in the Indian history. And when we are celebrating it in United States, it becomes all the more special. I would like to talk about only three aspects here. That now, as we all know, our motherland India is progressing very fast towards being a developed country. We are also witnessing a time of history where Indian American community is gaining prominence to be the most prosperous community, most influential community in this country. And we are also witnessing a third interesting aspect, that is the Indian-United States relationship progressing towards a point of inflection where we don't see any point of return, and the relationship actually getting multifaceted to all kinds of human endeavor. So this is a rare moment where we should celebrate Indian freedom, we should celebrate India-America friendship, and we should also celebrate the success of Indian-American community. So let me express my sincere thanks to the FIA leadership for organizing this event, Dr. Avinash Gupta, the senior advisors, all of the members of FIA. And let me also express my sincere thanks to the Indian American community for being a steadfast support for the growth progress of all the three stories that I mentioned. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And now
We are here. It's a great day of independence, both our coming from India here and celebrating. And as you know, the Indians have done a tremendous job in America. I want to give one statistics. Being a doctor, 30% of the doctors in America are Indian. The second, but not only 30%, it's a 42% of the American population is treated by those 30% of the doctors. Third fact is, this was a Boston study. Again, it's not a scientific, but written about 6 years ago. The American patients treated by Indian doctors have a better outcome, live longer than treated by any other doctors. So anyway, this is the day of our celebration, and the FIA had done a tremendous job. This, I call it a jugaad. Look at the right in the Times Square. They made us such a beautiful showcase. Clearly, a lot of work needed. I'm sure they need permission from the city, but able to do it. Fantastic. 3 cheers for FIA.
thank you. Now I'd like to invite Mr. Inderjeet Saluja.
भारत माता की आप सबको भारत के 75वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस की बहुत बहुत बधाई हो। इंडिया is marching ahead, and the evidence is all of us sitting here. We are all ambassadors of India to this country, and we shall always see to it that we put our best foot forward to bring glory to Mother India. So once again, congratulations on the Independence Day, and I want to make an appeal to everybody here. On the 18th, that is a Sunday, don't forget to come and join the largest parade, India Day parade, the largest India Day parade, I say, outside of India. And I appeal to all people. There has been some misunderstanding, but let me tell you, as a Sikh, I stand for inclusiveness and unity. And I appeal to my Sikh brethren from this podium today to come in large numbers. We have a thick float this time especially, and I must thank the FIA leadership led by Dr. Gupta to have thought of a wonderful idea, and we all will be there, and I will appeal to all people belonging to all faiths, as Dr. Avinash Gupta has always said. They are all invited. Come, bring whatever signs of your faith you want to. There is absolutely no bar, that is what I have been told. And once again, let us all stand for India, Mother India, as one people. And thank you so much. Once again, Bharat Mata Ki.
Thank you. And now I'd like to invite Mr. Kenny Desai.
Bharat Mata Ki! Honorable Consulate General of India, Shri Binay Shrikant Pradhanji, our Chairman Ankur Vaidya, our President Dr. Avinash Gupta, entire board members, Dr. Sudhir Parikh, Dr. Sumit Sharma is here, and Bansalji, and my entire executive committee members of the FIA, and distinguished guests who are here to grace the patriotic event of celebrating 78th Independence Day of our Bharat Desh by hosting our beloved motherland, Bharat, auspicious tricolor flag in the world famous Times Square of the great city of New York. Following FIA continued tradition for past 6 years with the active participation of Indian Consulate of New York. Bharat, ideal of entire world being one big family, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam and secularism, inspire our beloved Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and his government and people of Bharat to accommodate, accept and honor the multi-ethnic, multicultural and multi-religious value system that exists in a Bharat for ages. Our Bharat Desh triumphantly continue its progressive journey as the third largest economy of the world toward the bright future of 2047 as envisioned by our visionary Karma Yogi Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. I respectfully express my gratitude to all distinguished guests and the Indian diaspora who made this patriotic celebration as a grand success. As you know that India progressing, and we will be one of the top leader in the world, which Narendra Modi said. And today on a 78th Independence Day, we all are pledging to be united India, and in the US we all should be united against all these things going on, but we should be a secular India and united India here. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you. Can I please call Mr. Anil Desai?